check out the coffee shop, grab something to drink. This table that I'm sitting at is very orange, so I look like I'm orange. Got my coffee. I'm gonna go. I gotta stop saying that. I'm gonna go. It's one thing I've noticed whenever I vlog. I normally don't add anything to my bagels. Off to the park. My tattoo. My backpack. What you got?
Orange dream machine, baby.
Both of you?
Yep.
Hey, bite. Come on. Oh man, that was fun. My hand's still shaking. I can't hold the camera good. Look at me. Look at this up.
My heart.
What happened?
Every time we went down my heart, it felt like we're dropping.
Do you remember the ride at least? You didn't black out?
I didn't back out.
Oh man, I'm still sweating from that damn coaster. Can't believe this is $5. And I got Heimlich. No! Got 2 Heimlichs.
Oh yeah, look.
What you got?
I got this guy.
Okay, show me the other ones.
Oh, I got all of them.
Oh really?
Yeah. We got this one, this one, this one, that one.
What you got on the other ones?
I just got this one and then the horse.
You want to grab me one margarita? I wasn't expecting it, but oh well. Cheers. Alright, heading back to the room. You know, I didn't know you have to finish the margarita. It's it, but it was good. Now that we're headed back to the room, we're gonna find something to eat for lunch, and then after that, try to find more stuff. Probably resume all the other things that we had. Dude, I have to. Ah. Yeah, it's kind of a given. You see a lot of people do that. They get churros at Disneyland, so sounded damn good. I was gonna record, but okay. Classic silverware. Salad. Burger. So according to Isaac, there's gonna be a wedding.
Yeah, look, there's seats over there if you can look.
Okay. All right, we took, I don't know how long of a nap, but now we're gonna go to dinner. I think try to do some Italian food. I think that's what it is. Chicken parmesan, kind of low like carb bread. Wow. Wow. Strawberry. This is almost gone. That's almost gone.
There's a spaghetti noodle in there.
Oh yeah, there's one spaghetti noodle right there. There's just pounding. Mama's almost done. I got a tiramisu.
What? You have your
Once again invite you to wish upon stars, to step into the unknown, and to join us on this, our wondrous journey.